Good morning, everyone. Today I have a very special treat for all of you. We're gonna go inside this North Bellmore build and I'm gonna show you a 100% completed build. We actually have our first open house today. The photographer's here taking his pictures, and I've been bringing you here since before we put the first shovel in the ground. So I'm very excited to bring you inside. The fit, the finish, the quality, the colors, I'm just obsessed with all of it. Let's go. Welcome home to this brand new 5-bed, 3-bath Central Hall Colonial. I'm gonna walk you through and show you everything that we have going on. We've got this beautiful dining room here with raised panel detail. I love this paint color. This is Shoreline by Benjamin Moore. And throughout this home, you're gonna find LED trims, crown moldings, and right this way, we're into my favorite part of the home. And I did something a little bit different here. I chose a dark gray stained wood cabinet, and to tone it down, I added white quartz countertops and a Carrara marble backsplash. And this area is open across the back of the house. You've got the kitchen and the family room, this wonderful Regency P36 fireplace, and here's your formal living room. And again, with the raised panel detail, the crown molding, lots of natural light, lots of LED hi-hats. This is gonna be a wonderful entertaining space, and I'm just obsessed with how nice these floors came out. They really pop, they add some color to an otherwise very neutral palette. And this way we have the mudroom, a full bath, and a guest bedroom. And I've said it time and time again, this guest bedroom is crucial for people who have extended family members or guests that stay with them frequently, or if they work from home, this is a very nice private office. Now that we're upstairs, I want to point out some of the things that make this house special to me. I always try to squeeze in a wider hallway whenever possible. It gives you this nice airy feel, especially when you have a 2-story entry foyer, and this 5-foot hallway really does that. And it's the little details that really make a house for me, and it's things like this recessed panel 6-inch post, the nicer rail, the larger balusters. These are the things that every builder will skimp on at this price point, and I just won't allow myself to do it. Now, this might cost double or triple than the skinny post that you're used to seeing, but that post right there, when you walk in, and this post at the top of the stair, to me, really makes this entrance pop. And the beautiful stain, the fit, the finish, the quality of the paintwork, all that added together really adds to the appeal of this home. So we've got 3 bedrooms here aside from the master. This is bedroom number 1. We've got a walk-in closet over here, not lots of natural light, nice and big linen closet over here, and I always put lights in all my closets because it doesn't cost a lot of money, but once you're living in the house, it makes your life a lot easier. And these are very generous room sizes. You've got the bed wall over here, and always pre-wire your homes because it's much harder to do it after the fact. I run Cat 6 and coax to every single TV location, the living spaces and the bedrooms. You've got this beautiful bathroom right here, and you're gonna laugh, come with me this way, but I actually cleaned and prepped every bathroom in the kitchen in this house myself. And people say, oh, hire someone, have someone else do it. Honestly, the paint's done, the house is done. I don't want you messing up my stuff, and nobody's gonna care as much as I do. I mean, look at this space. You could actually bring a toothbrush, drop it right there, and jump right in and take a shower. And that presentation is key. People love that kind of stuff. We've got bedroom number 3 over here. And once again, I don't skimp on the windows. I don't treat crown moldings as an add-on. We've got solid doors for all the bedrooms, all the bathrooms. And as you look around, there's nothing that you have to do here. You just gotta take your stuff and move in. You've got a pull-down stair right here. And there's a major upgrade up in that attic that people might just pass right over, but I won't allow them to. I'm gonna point it out. We've got a spray foam attic up there, and what that will do for you is in the wintertime, it's not gonna be 20 degrees up there, and in the summertime, it's not gonna be 120 up there. So your electric bills, your utility bills are gonna be much more under control. Now let's go check out that master. Can we take a moment to talk about this master suite for a sec? I love this double entry door. We've got the TV wall over here, and I broke up this room a little bit by putting a bed wall here. So you see the door that way, bed over here, TV wall over there. You've got this nice little dressing area. Nobody likes a soggy makeup vanity or dressing area, so this will be a wonderful place to set up your makeup vanity or set up your dressing area. I've even done homes in the past with a similar model where we put some shelves on the wall and have them display some of their nice shoes or nice bags. And if you follow me this way, we've got a walk-in closet here. We've got another big closet over here, and check out this beautiful bathroom. I love the gray tones, the wood look tile. We've got the soaking tub over here. Got the double vanity, white on white. Beautiful mirror, nice light fixture, and look at the shower over here. pre-construction and we were working with the original foundation. I finished this basement. It shouldn't affect the taxes too much, and we don't necessarily bring the level of quality down in the basement just because it's going to be the less closely looked at space. Look at this beautiful tile work. We followed it with the same trim, the shoe molding detail. You've got a huge laundry room right here, and lots of space for the kids to hang out and play. We've got a boiler room here that I just gotta show you guys. I mean, come this way. Let me show you this boiler room. Who tiles a boiler room? Who makes even the attempt to make something like this look so clean? Unfortunately, we weren't able to finish the backyard before the winter freeze really set in, but we made sure right around Christmas time to get this sod down, finish up the masonry, and really get the curb appeal maximized, because that's really what's gonna drive traffic. And now with those interior photos that we just took and this vlog episode, you're gonna really get to showcase the things that are complete, the things that are beautiful, and we'll be back to take care of that backyard, because you know I'm not gonna let it slide like that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tour. I really hope you enjoyed the transformation from beginning to end. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, there's transformations like this taking place every single day. @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle. Once again, thank you for watching and have a great day, everyone.